Oh, hold on one more second. Gotta send this last text message. Okay, did you know that people are on their phones a quarter of the day?
Wow, I believe it.
Sending text message, checking email, all those things.
Like us?
Yeah, just like us. I got to put this away now. And even I've heard that people, it's the first thing they do when they get out of bed.
Oh yeah, I'm guilty of that.
Yeah, me too. I think that if you're not using SMS in your marketing plan, then you're missing a big opportunity.
Let's talk about the advantages of SMS marketing.
Yeah, so number one on our list is instant gratification. So just think about when you text your friend, and then a few minutes go by and they don't text you back. The next thing you do is put those little question marks in, and still nothing. The next thing that comes out is those little horns and that little frowny face. So, you know, when you SMS someone, you expect a text right back. Just imagine if you had a prospect and they had filled out your contact form, and the second they hit that submit button, they get a text message on their phone. They could have been on their phone, and they get that text message right back. And it says, "Thank you for contacting us. Reply to this text message or give us a call. Otherwise, we'll reach out as soon as possible." Well, that makes them feel good, because if they filled out anyone else's contact form, they probably didn't get that same quick response, and that makes all the difference today.
Number two, SMS text messaging is highly measurable. You can see immediately if they've opened the text message, you can see their text reply, you can even see if they've ignored it, and you can use all of those action triggers to then market to them the next move. So Joel, what's number three?
I would say number three has to be the ability for a focused and brief message. You don't get into the long email with this and that. You just send that short, maybe 160 character message that says, "Thanks for contacting us. Give us a call back at this phone number, or text us if you'd like a faster response." And that's it. And usually they'll text right back. And that brings us to number four on our list.
SMS marketing has a high open and engagement rate. Essentially, the user has to open their phone and view that text message if they even want to delete it.
So our number five is instant opt-in and opt-out. So if you get that text message, you want to opt out, usually all you have to do is type stop and you're opted out. If you want to opt in, there's usually little short codes you can just add, and you can get creative with your short codes.
Number six, cash in on your coolness. A lot of other people are not doing this. So if you get any demographic really receiving immediate text message response upon an interest, it's a pretty big deal.
All right, number seven, and that is the demographic. Can you name a demographic that has a phone? I would say me, my brother, my daughter, my mom, my grandma, everybody has a phone. So you're hitting all the demographics with SMS marketing. So that's really a good place to be, because everybody's really wanting to communicate more and more by text message now.
Including automated text message follow-up or even just text message communication with your consumers is not that difficult and doesn't take loads of software and technology. If you need any help at all, feel free to shoot us an email or give us a call.